Have courage. Be kind.
Welcome, ladies. Welcome.
She's skinny as a broom and that stringy hair. You're very nice.
Welcome. I'm so happy to meet you.
You have such pretty hair.
Thank you.
You should have it styled.
Oh, I'm sure you're right. Would you like a tour of the house?
What did she say?
She wants to show us around her farmhouse. She's proud of it, I think.
Do they keep animals inside?
How charming. How perfectly charming. Lucifer?
Her stepmother-to-be was a woman of keen feeling and refined taste, and she too had known grief, but she wore it wonderfully well.